clams.
Wait, so you're having clams, okay.
Garlic.
So that's all garlic in there?
Yep, all garlic, some onions, and some tomatoes.
Okay.
All right. And saute it for a little bit.
Do you have any olive oil in the pan or something?
Yes, olive oil in the pan. I'm going to saute it now. Got a bigger spoon. Sorry.
All right, so what are you doing now?
Just sauteing it. You know, soften the onions and the garlic up a little bit.
How often do you stir?
Yeah. Just leave it there.
How often do you stir and how long do you do it for?
Just keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn.
That's not an amount of time.
There's no amount of time. You just got to keep your eye on it. Just make sure it doesn't burn.
Is it salt and pepper?
I don't put any salt and pepper because I feel that the clams themselves have enough, saltiness. I've used salt before, and it makes the dish salty.
Yeah. All right.
Have a cup of chicken broth to a cup. Have a cup to a cup, not too much, just a little bit, because the clams have their own some.
Okay, so ciabatta bread.
Some with butter, some Parmigiano Reggiano, and some a little bit of oregano, and some seasonings.
Okay, so you're heating up the oven. How long are you going to leave that in there for?
Until about 15-20 minutes.
Makes sense. Okay, so those are the clams right there?
Yep. These are nice clams, 36.
Where'd you get them from?
ShopRite. I usually put them in the water to get all this, and I wash them to get all this, try to get all the sand out of them.
Cold water, hot water?
Cold water.
Yeah. How long do you leave it in the water for?
Put them in.
Okay.
Put them in.
How many did you put in?
There's 3 dozen, 36.
That's how much you're doing right now?
Yeah, 36. I'm doing all of them.
Okay.
And then what I do is I put a little bit of whatever I have. I have parsley, but today I have cilantro, leftover cilantro. So I'm going to put that in, either parsley or cilantro.
Okay.
To just add a little flavor, that's all. Just to use up the
it smells
whatever I have in the refrigerator.
It smells, okay.
And it's going to take about maybe 20 minutes.
How often do you stir?
I just keep an eye on them, that's all.
Yeah.
There's no science to stirring, just keep an eye on them.
How many times do you stir, do you think?
I don't know.
5, 10?
I don't know. I just keep an eye on them and I open them up. And that's it. And I put some pasta on the dish for you. Everybody gets 12 clams. It's good enough. Let me see. Just 12 clams.
Where's the sauce at, though?
Don't worry about the sauce. I'll show you the sauce after.
What do you mean?
It's on the bottom, Brian.
Oh, it's down near the bread?
No.
On
the bottom of the clams, pal.
Yeah. How many times did you stir?
I don't know, a couple of times.
Every other. Okay.
And you just put the bottom of the things.
Yeah.
And just put it over the pasta.
Wow.
And the up.
They open up automatically?
Yeah. Once they, they'll open up.
Okay.
See it? Making a little pasta. And the bread is in the oven. It's almost ready. See it?
Very cool.
All right.
What's boiling in the back left over there?
That's the pasta.
What kind of pasta?
Spaghetti.
Where's it at? Over here?
Right here, Brian. There.
Spaghetti. Yeah. What's it called?
Spaghetti.
Nice. How long has that been boiling for?
It'll take about 10 to 12 minutes. It depends.
After it was boiling, right?
The water's boiling first. You have to boil the water first. You got to put a little bit of oil, olive oil, or salt, and then you put the pasta in after.
How much olive oil?
Just maybe a tablespoon or two.
Okay. So how do you take the clams out? You just pour them where?
I'll show you in a minute.